Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. At the particular session we are going to talk about Himachal Pradesh state counseling, all the details in single video. We will talk about fee structure. There is just one single college, that MME Solan, and we are going to talk about the fee structure cutoff, and it's a very good state for those candidates especially where who got like less score or the rank is not so good, still looking for clinical branches. Okay, so you can do registration for these. We will talk about stipend and service bond. We will also talk about the government and private colleges, seat matrix, and all such details. So watch the video until end to capture all the details about Himachal Pradesh state counseling. Okay, and in the description, before that, if you want to get all the updates related to NEET PG 2021 counseling, all the updates, all the critical information, detailed information, you can subscribe the channel. And we have also paid counseling guidance available for you, which you can subscribe to us to avail the services. The services will be available to you until your admission is done. Okay, and you can ask your doubts, and we will talk about the planning and how you should proceed with the counseling process if you're not so clear. And there are many opportunities which is available for you and you might not be aware about it. So that's very important part of the counseling process, your planning and analysis based on your score, based on your rank, your preferred branches, budget, and your selection of the state where you can move. And to avail the paid service, you can call on 9319128677. The same number is having WhatsApp facility also, so you can send the messages as well. In the description you can find several important ebooks on deemed universities, open state, DNB counseling process. There are two different ebooks, and for choice preferences as well for DNB hospitals, and for all India quota also we have a ebook available. Now let's get started, starting with the registration process. To register for Himachal Pradesh, you need to log in to the website https://hp.online counseling.co.in, and you need to pay some non-refundable fee. And MD MS seat availability in state of Himachal Pradesh, there are 298 seats, and in MD 188, MS 110 seats. 55 seats in MD are permitted, and 123 are recognized. Talking about MS seats availability, 110, 31 are permitted and 79 are recognized. And you can also have a look at MD MS seats availability in India all across states. The video is getting created, and by that time we have all the updates. If you are watching the videos in future time, so you can understand the data might be outdated when you are watching in the future. Seat distribution, we will talk about the colleges. In the government colleges, 50% seats will go to all India quota, where MCC will conduct the counseling process, and remaining 50% is available for a state counseling authority to conduct the counseling for those remaining 6 seats. In private colleges, we have two different types of seats: state quota and management quota. MME Solan is the only one private college, but this is the fee structure for MME Solan. You talk about radio diagnosis, fee structure is 30 lakhs, and for dermatology is 30 lakhs, for orthopedics 26 lakhs, medicine 26 lakhs, for general surgery the tuition fee is around 24 lakhs, psychiatry 22.36, anesthesiology 18 lakhs, option gynae 28 lakhs, and pediatrics 26 lakhs. For ophthalmology, the tuition fee is 26 lakhs, ENT 18 lakhs, respiratory medicine 22 lakhs, and you have the tuition fee for other non-clinical branches. Pathology 18 lakhs, which is on higher side. Okay, here the tuition fee gets incremented by 10% every year. In the first year you are paying 30 lakhs, in second year you need to pay 33 lakhs, and on 33 10% further increment, that is 36 lakhs plus. Okay, so that's how you need to pay the tuition fee. The stipend amount will be paid to the candidates Okay, the first year you will get 35, and next year 40 per month. In the third year 45 per month is the stipend that you will be getting. Every candidate has to execute a bond to serve in the institute for SR for 1 year after completion of the course. So the 1 year is the bond duration that you need to serve, and penalty amount that you need to pay is around 5 lakhs. Now talking about the most important point, all candidates coming from any state, they are eligible to participate for the counseling process for MMU Solan particularly. You are not eligible to participate for government colleges but for private colleges. And let's talk about the cutoff score for higher clinical. Radio, dermat, general medicine, peds, ortho and general surgery, respiratory medicine, these are higher clinical subjects, and considering all the subjects general up to general surgery, the cutoff will go up to 70,000. And so you can imagine it's a good state for you if your score is not so good and still looking for good clinical subject. When I say 60 to 70,000, don't misunderstand that radio will have this much cutoff. It's for general surgery and ortho branches. For general medicine, you can expect to get a seat even you have rank of around 50,000 or so. For lower clinical subject like radiotherapy, ENT, ophthalmology and anesthesia, even you got just qualifying score, still you can expect to get a seat. So this state is going to be important. You need to have a look at the tuition fee structure, and accordingly you can plan to register for it. I will tell you one more important point. You come from either north part of India or southern part of India. Both parts are like a part of India only, and in case your rank is not good and budget is also not up to the mark where you can get admission in deemed universities, then you need to have flexibility in terms of locations. You need to move out of your state and look out for the opportunities available in other states in terms of open state counseling. So there are states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Himachal Pradesh. There are other states which is in south like Pondicherry. So these are states where the cutoff goes low, and even in the low score you can expect to get higher clinical or like middle clinical or core clinical subjects. So you need to come out of your comfort zone in case the score is not good, and look out for the opportunities. Otherwise you will end up losing 1 year, and you have to plan from the round 1. The opportunities you might be thinking about, you can keep as backup. You should keep as backup from the round 1 itself. In the round 2 or mop-up round, if you go for backup option, the backup option might not be available at all. So you have to plan accordingly. In case you are not able to plan and not sure about how should you proceed, at the same time you should not register for all the open states. You might lose so much of security deposit. You get the seat in one state and other state also, then you need to decide joining one state, and other state seat will be left out, and your security deposit also will get forfeited. So you have to plan everything. In case you are not able to plan, then you look out for some good counselor. Okay, there are many good counselors available on YouTube, and based on their knowledge you can reach out to them. Neat Mentor is an platform where you can also get good counseling and good suggestions, and you can proceed accordingly, and you can get the seat. There is no guarantee, because we guide you through the counseling process, and the counseling process will have some kind of deviation every year. There will be trends which not will be followed every year. So depending on the awareness of the candidate about particular seat, particular college, the trend might change. Okay, and there are other factors also, the reservation policy, seat matrix, and internal reservation, all such things. So the trend does not repeat at all the time. Okay, that's why planning is very important, and you go as with planning. So after the planning, the next important part is the implementation. You implemented it correctly, all the planning part is getting followed correctly during implementation, then you will reach and you end up getting the expected seat. Otherwise you might have to compromise with lower clinical or some branches which you didn't intend to get. and even you need to pay higher tuition fee, or in the worst case you might need to go for next year. Let's talk about Himachal Pradesh stipend for IGMC Simla. 35, 40, 45 in 3 years, and RPG Medical College is again 35, 40, 45. So here the stipend you will be getting is around 35 to 45. And service bond and discontinuation bond. Service bond is of 2 years in government colleges. Penalty is 40 lakhs, and there is interest of 18% you need to pay. No bond if no stipend taken. In case you choose to go with no stipend, okay, then there is no service bond. Post discontinuation of seat living penalty is 10 lakhs, and you need to pay 18% interest also. So that's all from our side regarding Himachal Pradesh State Counseling. Mostly I created this video to cover the part for private colleges because it's open state, and all the candidates who were watching the videos from NEET Mentor, they should get kind of option, they should get benefited, they should get aware about Himachal Pradesh and such states. I have also created the videos for West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. So you can watch those videos, Uttar Pradesh, and you can get benefited. Your own state is is already there, where you can get your home state benefit. Deemed university is there. In case I'm talking for those candidates where the rank is not so good, around 40, 35 or 50,000, and looking for a good clinical branch, then you must consider open state as well, and you have to decide wisely which open state you should pick and which open state you should skip, where you have chance and where you don't stand a chance. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we will meet again with a new update and some more informative videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.